Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Los Angeles, California, the heart of the Golden State where dreams come alive. From the bustling streets of downtown to the scenic views of Malibu, experience the magic of Los Angeles. Enjoy your journey in beautiful California.
Day 6 in LA! Ah! Ay, sorry. So guys, it is my 6th day here in LA. It's a Monday, November 3. We are going to Warner Brothers Studios today. So of course, I'm with Mr. Silo with his I Love New York t-shirt. Para daw match kami. Ayan, may nag-iisa siyang pula dun sa t-shirt niya. Because I'm wearing an all-red dress today from Mango. Let's go! Good behavior. Hello. Guys, it's Friends. My all-time favorite sitcom. Central Perk. This one is like $15 only. I think I'm gonna get one, but let me check the other stuff. Guys, we got something. We got keychains and a cup for me. So happy! Now we're gonna have some snacks or coffee. Look at that! Hey guys, so we are here in Warner Brothers Studios and we're in the Friends. So, nagme-merienda lang kami. It's already 3:40. We started the tour at before 2 p.m. Before 2 p.m. So, Silo's having his chocolate croissant and then I'm having my red velvet cupcake. And guys, I'm so happy. Meron kaming discount sa tickets because SoCal residency Silo. So from $79 each, may discount na
$25 discount, yeah.
each
No.
for the both of us. Yeah, so super duper sulit. Anyway, after this, we are going to another part of the tour and then magpipicture kami din sa parang sofa. Pero yung likod niya is yung fountain mismo sa Friends. So like, so happy. Worth it, no? So worth it.
Yung tour guide din natin, ang galing.
Yeah.
She's funny, diba?
She's funny. She's not boring. She's entertaining. And then kapag yung nagbabakal siya, parang nadadala na pa rin eh. Diba? We're just gonna eat. Crazy Rich Asian costumes.
We do one more? 3, 2, 1.
I'll be there for you when the rain stops.
Batmobile.
Damn.
Hey,
Saan punta? So guys, our Warner Brothers Studio tour has come to an end. We are about to grab some dinner. We're gonna eat in Boiling Cab because Silo wants seafood. So yeah, join us for dinner. Thank you so much, love. So happy with our trip today. Buti na lang, guys. Kasi nag-basketball pa siya kanina. Talagang nga naman.
What? Ikaw matulog eh.
I'm gonna cut that. Lamig.
Yeah, that's a lot of waste time though.
one on. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so we'll cut the big round and the big wings go.
Hey guys, so we're finally in Boiling Cab and aalis na din kami. Bakit kaya?
Wala. Traffic eh.
So guys, we miscalculated the travel time. So kala namin 30 minutes going from his place to Burbank, 30 minutes. Kala namin pag-uwi, ganun din. But Google Maps says it's 1 hour and 7 minutes and he has to be at work at 7 p.m. So, take out it is. So, to go na lang. Buti na lang chinek niya din kasi sabi ko hindi worth it na mag-absent siya. Dahil lang nag-boiling cab kami. Anong feeling na pinaasa mo ko?
Uy, hindi ah. You want to wait na lang dyan para kunin ko yung car?
Ah, sige. Pwede ka mag-hazard dyan? Okay, message me.
Okay.
O, diba? Tapos iiwan niya pa ako. Tama ba? Hindi, joke lang. Kasi malayo po yung pinag-parkingan namin. Kaya, kukunin niya na yung car.
Bye guys.
Sayang. See you, love. Sayang, guys. Ang ganda na nung spread. And then, meron pa ditong mga palime pa dyan. Like, I'm so excited, but it's okay. Sa bahay na lang kami kakain. And then, I told Silo na magbaon na lang siya ng in-order namin. Kasi ang in-order namin was fried scallops, shrimp, and then, I forgot what he ordered. Basta yun. Anyway, let's go home.